My name is Chess Pettengill. I've been using and building things with Quickscrews for over 10 years. Well, I was really introduced to Quickscrew through my father's business, Snowmoid Craft, building Murphy beds and other cabinetry and whatnot. We have ordered through a few different wholesalers throughout the years, and I feel like it's just been the dominating brand for cabinetry. So one of my most recent projects has been our Toyota Tacoma that my girlfriend and I just got. We've always been sort of outdoorsy people and like to travel, and have for a long time, idealized the whole van life thing to some extent. But having this truck, we wanted to have a vehicle that could get us outdoors and make camping a little easier and I guess more luxurious and fun. And so, yeah, I recently built out this whole drawer system and bed system for the back of our truck, with a little kitchenette and storage and all the little bells and whistles. So I used a few different types of screws, a lot of just different lengths, but mainly just between the square drive screws and the square drive face frame screws for pocket holing and whatnot, to put the whole frame together. So I built the whole project up in Northern California at my dad's shop. Would have done it in Southern California, but it's just easier with his space, so I don't have the same resources that he does. So yeah, I spent about 8 days up there, putting it all together. But we have gone on 2 trips, the first of which was out to like the Lucerne Valley area, kind of north of Big Bear, sort of similar terrain to Joshua Tree and a desert outing. And then we also went out to the Mojave with a group of friends recently as well. Yeah, it was great.